Hey guys, my name is Kimberly Crawford and welcome to this presentation for the CPN or credit privacy number. Whoever introduced this video to you, make sure you get back with them and let them know that you are ready to go. What you're looking at right now is a fresh credit profile, meaning that this credit profile has nothing on it, right? It has no derogatories, it has no late payments, no active accounts. It's completely new, right? And you may ask, well, why would I want to start completely over? Sometimes your credit can get to the point, I'm not saying where it cannot be fixed, but there are so many negative things on there that it's either going to hinder you from moving forward with what you want to do. It's going to take you a long time to get it cleared up. Now, the credit privacy number does not replace your current social security number, okay? That's still separate. The credit privacy number, just a little bit of history, was designed to protect your social, right? It was designed to protect your social. The credit privacy number can be used for anything else except for a mortgage, and you don't file taxes on it. What you're looking at is a clean slate, right? How would you feel, right, if you were to wake up one day and have a clean profile? You have no collections, no derogatories, no student loans, right? No auto loans, everything is cleared. You now have the opportunity to start completely over with fresh credit and build your credit up the right way, working with a team of credit experts. All right, that's what we're doing here. We're basically giving people a completely second chance. All right, once you get your credit privacy number, we have you set it within 48 hours, sometimes 72, depending on how busy we can get. We send everything over to you via email. We send you a new credit privacy number or CPN with instructions. See, a lot of people will maybe give you a CPN, but if they don't give you the instructions and tell you how to do it, where to apply, give you the timeline to do so, it's worthless, guys. We are going to show you how to start over getting fresh credit within 48 hours to 72 hours, how to proceed, right, moving forward, still continuing to give you that credit advice that you need to build your CPN up, right, to build that CPN up so you have a higher credit score. All right, so my story, I went through a separation, went through a divorce, had some financial difficulties, went from 2 incomes to 1 income, and just fell behind on a lot of things, which pretty much took my credit under. I needed to get an apartment. I went ahead and did a fresh credit profile or a CPN and was able to get into my apartment, was able to get my utilities and my cable. So if you're asking if the process works, absolutely, it works. Again, the only thing you cannot get is a mortgage. You cannot file taxes. But if you're someone like me, you just want a fresh start, you want to start completely over, you're like, you know what, I've had enough. I've been through, the credit counseling. I got things, removed. It's still just not working. Guys, fresh credit would be a great alternative. Again, you can look at the accounts here and see everything is zero, right? So now all you have to do is focus on building it up, building that history, building that good payment history, guys, to get that credit score. And again, we're going to show you, me and my team members will show you step by step what to apply for, when to apply for it, and help you along the way build that score up, guys. We're going to give you step-by-step instructions. Once you purchase your credit privacy number, you will get an email from the team giving you step-by-step instructions, and they are laid out from A to Z. There's really no question as to what you need to do. We're going to lay it out for you. And the best part, again, is you get to start over and build credit the right way. Let's be honest. A lot of us were not taught how to build our credit the right way. We're now learning because our old, the credit was so messed up. We had so many derogatories on the credit, and not being able to get anything, receiving constant denials. It's not what I wanted. I wanted to finally get some approvals, so guys, if you have any questions, get with whoever shared this video with you. Again, this is fresh credit, the credit privacy number, starting you completely over, right? You can see you have nothing on there, starting you completely over, guys, and showing you how to build your credit the right way. Imagine logging into your Credit Karma and seeing a 7 or 800 credit score, right? Versus a 4 or 500 or a 600. Imagine the buying power that you have when you have that type of score, guys. It's happening. So get with whoever sent this video to you. Get your credit privacy number today. So you can, the sooner you get it, the sooner you can start building that fresh credit, especially going into 2020, guys. Go ahead and change your life. Get started. Get back with whoever showed you this video. I'm a real life person. I'm going through the process myself. It's working. I got my apartment. I love it. I'm excited to help so many people. Get with whoever shared this video and get your fresh credit going so you can basically change your life, start from scratch, and be able to build credit finally the right way. All right, see you guys on the other side. Take care.